So this is the new battery I bought to continue the battery testing and charging, to show you that the real voltage is not indicator of the status of the battery. The bush what I have in the car, inside the car, it looks brand new, really brand new. So let's hook up our multimeter here. This is the brand new, it's 77 amperage, and the actual amperage inside is 760. That one, the Bosch, it was 640 and it showed me 370 on the test. So I just bought the battery. You can see, as I told you, it's above 12.5 volt, which means it's charged battery in good status. So let's say outside vehicle before charged, let's suppose like it's not charged, even to see if it's good status or not. Regular flooded, as I told you, it's all regular flooded. Most of the batteries in the market, 760 inside supposed to be. So let's see how much it will give me inside actual, what's written on it. You can see it gave me 845. This is what I wanted you to see, that the ohmage, the resistance inside is very minimum. It's not like 8 as was before. 12.6, which is good status also. 100%, 98%, and the amperage, the most important stuff, that it's either as it is written or more, or at least it will be like very minimum. Like it's say 760 here, it should be like 760 minimum, 758, something like that. So this is the difference. The voltage is not an indicator, charge or not charge. So this is the new battery. I just wanted to continue this video. When I installed the battery, what's the recommendation, how you change the battery without losing also your coding for the computers and all the electrical devices in the car. Because those classic cars, as you see, you know, there's the radio and the stereo system, it's all coded, it has codes, and also the memory of the service. So try not to lose it. I will show you in different video. Hope you like it, share it, and see you in other videos. And for the meantime, bye bye.